Well, hello, Ron Benning here with your Sacramento Fourplex Market update for the month ending June of 2025. In this video, I'll cover the latest market trends and take a look at the break-even GRM for a Sacramento Fourplex. Developing trends leave evidence, and this month things are definitely shifting again. Watch until the end to stay fully informed. June of 2025 solidifies the ongoing buyer's market trend for fourplexes in Sacramento area. This makes 2 months in a row we've been in a buyer's market. We are now sitting on 11 months of inventory based on closed sales. That's massive. That's a 120% increase compared to last year, but down slightly from the last month's 16 months. This is consistent with what I've been predicting for several months now. Only 4 fourplexes sold in June, but that's still 100% more than the 2 fourplexes that had sold the month before, but still 20% fewer than in June of 2024. The exciting part of this statistic was that I was the listing agent on 2 of the 4 sold fourplexes. And this helps prove that good information combined with effective marketing helps to sell properties, even in a buyer's market. Inventory rose 25.7% from last month and is 76% higher than it was last year at this time. Pending sales dropped to 2. That's down 50% from last month and 60% from June of last year. So this tells us that the sales this next month are going to be down too, because you can't have more sales with less pending sales. Mortgage rates have remained fairly stable, but slightly improved, and these continue to make cash flowing scenarios at the current prices difficult in some cases. Although inflation is nearing the Fed's target rate, the Fed has been reluctant to cut rates further at this point. Assuming 25% down, the target break-even GRM for a fourplex is in June of 2025 is approximately 11.48. To see what the GRM was for all sold fourplexes in June, look down below the video for a link to give you a better idea of what you can expect to pay or sell a fourplex for in Sacramento right now. And the good news is that many of them are selling below the break even. If you're enjoying this video and analysis, please subscribe to my channel now so that I can keep you informed about investing in the Sacramento market. The average days on the market for sold fourplexes in June was 75 days. This is up 83.6% from the previous month's 61 days and a staggering 387% from May of last year. The sold to original list price ratio came in at 93%, meaning sellers are accepting 7% below asking price on average. This means that the buyer bargaining power is 7%. This is also something I've been predicting for several months now. The average sold price in June for a fourplex was $940,000. As I've said in previous months, the average list price and sales prices for fourplexes is not really that meaningful because of the small market size. But there's no denying that there is an obvious downward trend if we look back at the data over the last year. So what's my market prediction for fourplexes in the Sacramento market in the next 30 to 60 days? For sellers, if the inventory continues to increase and if rates don't come down, prices will be falling over the next few months. Sellers need to be aggressive in pricing to be the property that buyers will pick based on the income numbers, because only the properties in the best condition or with the best cash flow will sell. I'm afraid the only thing that can stop this trend in the short run would be for rates to drop around 0.5% or for sellers to stop putting new inventory on the market. I'm hoping for this, but hope is not a plan. Call or message me or use the link below the video to get an estimate on your fourplex's current market value. As I said earlier, My marketing plan is working very effectively because I was the listing agent on half of the fourplexes that sold in Sacramento last month. For buyers, this is the moment you've been waiting for. There are many good fourplexes to choose from, and the few fourplexes that are selling for prices that in most cases will at least break you even from day one. The buyer bargaining power is the best I've seen in several years. This also creates a great opportunity to lock in current prices, and when rates do get better at some point, to refi for even better cash flow. Interest-only loans may be another good tool to maximize cash flow in the short run until rates get better. I have time to work very closely with one or two more investors this month to help you handpick the best deals. Call me or use the link below the video to get started. Whether you're planning on buying or selling a fourplex in the next 7 days or 7 months, give me a call or text so that I can help you plan a smooth purchase or sale transaction.